Sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and relax the whole body. Hold the teeth lightly together and separate the lips. Now, suck the air in slowly and deeply through the teeth. Close your mouth and exhale out slowly through the nose. This completes one round. Repeat the same for 8 to 9 rounds. Sheetkari helps in cooling your system. It also helps in keeping the gums and teeth healthy and strong. Complete your round. Stop the practice and feel the after effect of the practice.